No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that by the end of it you will decide to become a part of the Gem Squad family by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial today with the new 35T Morphe's palette. So if that's something that you want to see, then you know what to do. Keep on watching. Hi! Okay, my hair is super flat, but that's because I used like a moisture mask on it last night, so just letting y'all know. There's not a whole lot I can do with it right now. So it's staying like this. Okay, so you guys might have seen me swatch this palette over on Swatch Investigator, and you might have seen me do an eye look with it yesterday. I'm going to use it for the second time. I'm dying to find out how some of these other colors perform. I'm super excited. I'll be honest. I am. For sure. Definitely. So, I'm going to go ahead and grab some brushes. And we're going to get started on an eye look. Alright, I've got MAC Paint Pot on my eyes. Is there anything I'm missing? And I used the Aesthetica contour kit that we got in Boxycharm. Like this a lot. And then in Ipsy, this was Cheek Lip Eye Tint. Perfect for the cheeks. Just letting you know, just in case, you were wondering how some of these things played out. Alright, so let's see. What can we do today? I love me a dark eye. I do. I'm thinking something neutral. Let's try OG Crew on this Luxie brush. We're going to put that right in the crease, a little bit above the crease. I'll put the colors for you on the screen. Did you get this palette? It was $28, I believe. I can't believe I'm seeing stuff for spring already. Feels like we just had Christmas. Didn't we just have Christmas? Okay, so if I turn this brush over, I can use it again. And I want to go into Temptin' Hue. Basically staying over to the left side of the palette right now. Ooh, okay. I like her. I have to go back in and blend, but that's really pretty. And then I want to decide what type of eye look I want to do. Yeah, I like her a lot. Okay, we need a blending brush. So let's go ahead and go in with Jacqueline's Master Blending Brush with Morphe. Of course, there's nothing on this brush. I laid down the color with the Luxie brush, and now I'm just going in and blending this out. I am digging the colors. And we're going to go a little bit darker, I think. Alright, so here's what I want to do. I'm going to take this Luxie brush. I'm going to put it into, let's try the contents are hot and hope it's not too warm. It does have a different undertone, so you might want to go peachy instead of plummish. But you all know me, I'm going to make it work. Okay. So I want to get precise now, because I'm thinking I want to do something similar to a halo eye. Alright, I am going to go in with the blending brush, but just in certain areas. I don't want this color all over my lid, if I can help it. It's actually fanning out really nice. And with a halo eye, you do things just a little bit different. I saw Morphe palettes at TJ Maxx today. I just have to let you know. I did. I saw them. Okay, we need like a pencil brush for sure. One like that. What I'm going to do with this brush is, before I put anything on it, is I'm just going to go back in the crease. And make sure that color is nice and blended. And it's the right color for me. Now I'm gonna pat it in where I'm leaving pretty much just the center of my lid untouched. Didn't add any pigment to this brush, by the way. There's enough on my eye. Now I want to be precise. And I want to go a little bit darker in my crease and on the outer part. And I think I'm going to tap this into Naughty. Let's see what we got. Okay. And placing the color where I want it. And then I'm going to blend the crease. Little circular motions. Okay, so I went ahead and used the exact same colors underneath, and I'm liking it. And of course I blended it out with a blending brush that didn't have anything on it. Now I want to go in and do my waterline, and I want to use your Kona licking her paw. So now I've got two choices. I can put what I want on the middle of the lid now, or I can do my liquid liner first and then go back in and do it. Let's just go ahead and grab a brush. This Luxie brush is really, really good. It picks up the color super well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into... Let's do A Day in the Life first. Yeah, look at that. That's super pretty. We basically just want to focus on the middle part of the eye. You can bring it up a little bit to make the eye look a little bit bigger. And then you can also go back in with your pointy, awesome Madison Beer brush and blend out those edges. Make sure that the color that you worked hard to lay down is still there in the pigment amount that you want. Okay, so now I want to go even a little bit lighter. And I'm going to go into Sip, Sip. Let's see. You can even use your finger for this process. I do. I like it a lot. Okay, let's go ahead and put Talking Glitz right there in the center. Then we're going to do Share Gossip. I know, overload, right? I could take things a step further and put that lightness underneath if I want to. I would use a stiffy for that. And I would have to use like multiple colors, but I need a really good stiffy. And I don't see one. Oh, wait. Let's use this. Mix it into Share Gossip. It's a really, really tiny little fine detailing brush. Talking Glitz and Sugar Me. Oh, guys. Grab your other brushes, see if there's any fine detailing that you want to do. Make sure your edges are blended. And then you can do liner and lashes. Okay, I'm going to do my liner and my lashes off camera because I'm using the Glamnetics liner and kind of a pain. I'll be right back. Alright guys, what do you think of my finished look minus the flat hair? I really do like this palette for 28 bucks, 35 shades. Pretty amazing. There's no mirror, it's basic packaging, but the pigment is there, the blendability is there, so you really can't go wrong. As long as you've got a good set of decent brushes, you should be fine. Don't be trying to use that little brush from 1990 or whatever it was. That's not going to do it. But if you've got a good set of brushes, e.l.f. brushes, Morphe brushes, blinged brushes, whichever ones you want to use. Alright guys, tell me your thoughts down in the comments below. Do you like this look better or the one that I did yesterday? I'll put a picture in here for you. Let me know that. And if you haven't joined the channel yet, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and tell me hello and your favorite color down below if you don't mind. And I look forward to reading all your comments, and I will see you guys real soon in another video.